welcome back to Backyard Science. Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be doing an awesome experiment, and it is called the rainbow cabbage, if you can see up there. So what you'll be needing is a large cabbage, called a red cabbage, but it kind of looks purple.
You'll need multiple containers. We're just using vials.
Vinegar, water. I have to get up for this. One has like some Sprite or soda in it. One has some water and hand sanitizer in it.
And those are mixed in with water. You're also going to be needing baking soda,
lemon juice,
and clear ammonia, wherever that is. Here it is.
I have pneumonia.
Alright, so this is all you need, and let's get into this video.
Okay, the first step to this experiment, other than gathering your supplies, is it actually concerns a microwave. So we're gonna head down into our laboratory kitchen and heat this thing up. Let's go. Okay, guys, now we're in our kitchen, and the first thing we'll be needing to do is shoot somebody. I'm just kidding.
What you're going to be needing to do first is you're going to be needing to fill this thing. Wow, that's sad.
Oh,
fill
yeah.
this thing.
Oh yeah,
with water.
I like threw it off the treehouse and it was.
All right, so now you're going to need to fill this thing with water. Okay, after 50 refills, I'm not sure. Okay,
Now next we are going to take our red cabbage that looks purple and break it up into small pieces and put it in the water.
Grant, what are you doing? Chill out.
Whew. Okay, now we are done. And as you can tell, we have grinded it all up, and the state is kind of a bluish, watery color.
But it's gonna be even more
Purple when we light it on fire. I mean,
microwave it.
yeah, what he said.
All right, now we have our cabbage mix here. I'm gonna stick that in the microwave for 2 minutes and see what happens. Boop. So now that our cabbage water is done cooking, we are gonna strain this out.
Okay, so now that we have that system over with, we're just left with this purple water, and
Beautiful.
we're gonna pour it on here, take it up to the treehouse so we can get on with this experiment and lots more colors to this water and cabbage. So let's start. So we're gonna be putting in the ingredients first and then adding the purple water from the cabbage. So let's just get to it. Okay, the first ingredient we'll be needing is regular white vinegar. I dropped it in.
Good.
I always make fails on this channel. I'm sorry.
All right, guys, so we have our first test tube all filled up with vinegar. So we're gonna fill our next one with ammonia.
Okay, our next ingredient will be lemon juice.
It's like you're juicing a real lemon. All right, so our next solution is gonna be baking soda and water.
Okay, our next solution is some hand sanitizer and water. For our last one, we have some Sprite.
Delicious. What'd you get? I'm gonna drink the rest of this. All right, guys, we have all of our ingredients in our test tube.
And all we have to do is just pour them in and watch this rainbow come to life.
I'm just gonna hug this. It's still nice and warm. So we're just gonna pour this in here. I honestly forgot which ones turned which color, so this is gonna be a surprise to me and you.
This is a white vinegar. This one turns purple.
Whoa, that's cool.
Oh,
Look
pink.
at it. All right, this one turned red, which means it's acidic on the pH scale. Next, we have our ammonia.
Green!
Dude,
Just immediately.
that was crazy. It's like Yoda. Like, this is what Yoda drinks every morning. Something like. All right, that's really cool. That's like sea moss green. All right, next up we have our lemon juice. Whoa!
Pink.
Look at the difference. That one's like red, and
This
that
one's like
pink.
see-through, and that one's really like moggy.
That's crazy. Here, look at that. Look, it goes hot pink to yellow. That is awesome. I'm gonna take a picture of that, like make it my phone screensaver.
This is baking soda solution. Blue!
Whoa!
B-L-O.
Look at it. Look at the bubbles in it.
B-L-O-E. Blue.
Dude, these are so cool. Oh my gosh. This is really a really cool.
This should be the
experiment.
thumbnail.
This is an awesome video. Like, you need to do this in real life to see it for yourself.
Dark blue.
This is like
Dark-
midnight blue.
Turquoise.
These are awesome. This is insane.
This is soda / Sprite.
All right, last one.
Also purple. This is purple. So we got purple, midnight blue, turquoise. We got pink, green, and hot
Let me
pink.
scoot them up. so
Okay,
you can
okay,
see.
ready? Thumbnail time. This was crazy.
This is crazy. It's like Prussian blue, but times like a billion. Like you need to do this like
Yeah.
by yourself at home. All right, guys, this was an awesome video. Beautiful colors. You have to do this at home. So if you liked this video, leave a like, subscribe
See you next time
on Backyard Science. Woo!